Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled.
Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I have a little different things. A gift and some skincare. A little bit of makeup, but mostly skincare. Yeah. If you are new to my channel, I hope you join my little family here. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload. And if you like this video, smack the like button. If you are a returner, welcome back. It warms my heart. I have been away again. But this time because we lost a family member at only 31 years old of a terrible disease called ALS. So, but I will tell you all about that in a live update. Now we are going to look at this. The first thing was kindly gifted to me from Torrance. They asked if they could kindly gift me 3 of their products, and I was, yeah, of course. The first one is a self-esteem neck firming lift. So they have seen my age and all that. There's 25% right now at Torrance. So it is this size, a nice size, you can see. I can't wait to try it out because the other things I have tried from Torrance I really like. And then there is really light eyelid and dark circle corrector, and I read about it, and you can use it around the eyes, under the eyes, but also on the eyelid. Often you can't use it up on the other part of your eye, but you can with this. And this looks like, oh my god, it's falling down. This is looking like that. I have promised you that I will have it up so you can see it a little better. Oh, woo! Looks like this. Easy. And I love this kind of applicator because it is so easy to just take all around. And I can't wait to try this out together with other products. Yeah. And then there is another product from Torrance, Smooth Upper Lip and Period Anti-Aging Treatment, Professional Strength. So you can read it a little longer, because some of you said you take the product too quick away, so now I try not to. And this is for the upper lip. It's a little more shiny. Yeah, and I don't know. Okay, this is how this is looking around. And that is for those wrinkles us ladies in the ages can get. I know I took it away a little too quick. But I will link these 3 products down in my description box so you can check them out yourself. So I want to say thank you to Torrance for kindly gifting me these 3 products. And I'm very happy that you look my way. And I love to test this out. So thank you, Dermalect. I have a serum also I can use, and I also have a for the lashes to get volume. Yeah. The next one is from a little different. You know. Yeah. You know I'm a fan. I must say I'm a fan. This Tear Cushion Foundation, I got this in 21N, but I bought it in 23 Sand, and I got this on a store here in Denmark called Nice Hair because it is cheaper than, but Sui also have it. I will link it down because some is annoyed that I don't. And on the back you can see, should we open and see, and this is the little applicator, not been broken. So let's just open, because I have seen that I am a little too pale. I will not put it on now, but I will dip so I can see a little hint of how this color. I think this is better to me. As you can see, it looks darker than it is, and if you put it on the right way, it doesn't oxidize. Mine doesn't oxidize. So I have one for the darker days and the lighter days. And because this lady has too much gray hair, as you can see, they're gone. When I was in Germany last time, I bought this Garnier dark brown, and I found it in a boutique called Normal, and I bought it again because these I know, and I know my color gets a little darker, but I was so tired of all the gray hair. You girls know it if you have it. Then there is a little sample from LA Rocket Firming Body. Yep, body serum to the other samples. Then I bought some Depend nails because as it is right now, I don't have energy to do gel nails. Cream heat spray. This is just my favorite heat spray from Maria Nila. I have never tried any one that is so good. It is worth all the money. It really is. I love it. And then in the boutique, was it in Normal or was it? I can't actually remember. I think it was in a store here in Denmark where you can buy appliances for building your house and things like that. And I found these and I thought, okay, I need to try them out. Do not lose your sprinkles. Do not lose your sprinkles. And juicy like an orange. And I gave 10 Danish kroner, that's a little over $1. And because this lady here loves magnetic lashes, I was in this store that normally sells things to build your house, and I found these magnetic lashes with a liner for under the half the price of what I give for them normally. I don't know if you can see them. One pair and one pair. I want to take two of them out. this pair, that's a little more everyday. And this is curly. You can't see it. Let me just open up so you can see them. Like this. And the next one. Like this. Beautiful, right? And normally I give too much for them, I think, when you can get them. And the quality is just as good as the one I normally give 100 Danish kroners for, or 99. Oh, it's beautiful. Called Miss Muse. I took 5 pairs and I was, no, that's too much. I don't have money for that. And the Hofster said, I want to give you some. Look at that. Wow. That was all for that haul. Let's just take that away. There's not so much left. A little bit. 1 box more. This. And this is from a brand called Suri Suri. Suri Suri. They only have Korean beauty. And I found these, they were new from, sorry guys, this lady is almost blind. Lindsay Modeling Mask Cup Pack in collagen. And it is a very thick rubbery mud mask. And one with charcoal, and I got them from Suri Suri, and that was, I don't think it was much, but it was not the reason why. And then there's 2 samples. Tukobo biohyaluronic acids seed sun cream, nice. And Poyang Heal, that's probably not right, cleansing foam. Yeah, I ordered because what is on TikTok, where everywhere, bio collagen real deep mask. I don't know why this is white. There is 4 in here. I hope there is actually, so you can see it's not broken, and it is the right brand. Let me see, because I have seen them on TikTok, YouTube, yeah, everywhere, but not in white. So now I get a little, no, that just means okay in Danish. Looks like this. This is what you have seen. Biodance Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask. It is split in 2. One for the under, one for the upper. Then you take it on before you go to bed, or 3-4 hours before you go to bed, and then it starts on being white, such a jelly, and then it turns totally clear, and you should get the most beautiful glass skin. Do I like glass skin looking? No, I don't particularly do. I like a dewy look, but do I like my skin to have a lot of moisture? Yeah. What do you think of my haul? And again, thank you Dermalec for your kind gift. It is very appreciated. Please don't forget to look down in the description box. There's links, things where you can save some money or just find your way into the jungle of beauty and makeup. Yeah, if you want to ask me anything, down in the comments. I love to see some new faces and old faces, of course. That was all for today. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Don't forget, I love you, and you can love each other from afar and closer. See you soon. Bye.